Alright, so today we might be doing a hood stack or just a stack in the back for now. But for now we're just gonna cut it off. Cut the exhaust off. Down right there and just leave it probably later on today. Make a stack or a hood stack, we don't know yet. But yeah, that's what we have for today. And Eddie trying to sand these mirrors because they were painted really ugly. I'm gonna show you guys all this, how it looks now. We got some fender flares because the fender's really ugly. Got them painting them. So yeah, that's all we got for today. So this is how it originally sounds. Right now, we're starting. Hey, you want to rev it? Take all this off. It's too little exhaust. I think only one works. Alright, see how it sounds after. The exhaust is all out now. Kind of a pain, but I don't know what they tried doing there. Sounds now. Cardi. Yeah.